Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Sean here bringing you another how-to video. Today we're going to be setting up our HomeLink garage door opener system on our MX-5, Mazda MX-5 Miata. This one in particular is a 2020 MX-5 RF Roadster with the Grand Touring package, and this one does come, of course, with the HomeLink buttons there on the mirror. So not all of them. This is I think a Grand Touring only spec, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe the 30th AE also has this, but for those of you that do have the HomeLink feature on your mirror, this is how you set it up. So as you can see here, first of all, when I hit the third garage door, it does not work. It's not opening my garage door. In fact, I've got none of them set up. So the first thing we're gonna do is press and hold both of these. There's the first door, the second door, and then the third door. We're gonna press and hold both of those and the two outer ones to first reset the system. So we wanna wait for this red light to flash. It's now flashing. And now what I'm gonna do is I've got my linear garage door opener here, and this one's already programmed, of course, for this door. I'm gonna hold this button down and press this at the same time. So you can see my opener made the garage open. Looks like it's worked. Let's give it a try. It's now closing. Press it again just to make sure we're good. It's opening. And I just wanted to show the kids a little F-150 Raptor, and of course got the M3 parked in there too. This MX-5 will be replacing that one, the E46 M3. So anyway, I hope that's been helpful for those of you that are looking to get your MX-5 synced up to your garage door opener. I have read on some forums and other comments that you might have to actually hit the program button on your door opener itself, the one hanging up in the ceiling of the garage. In my case, the linear option seemed to work just fine by using an opener that's already been programmed. But the nice part here is you do have two others in addition to the one that we just programmed. So if you've got a lot of garage doors you want to sync up, you certainly can. By the way, to reset them, in case you want to trade your vehicle in, you don't want to send it in with your garage doors programmed, you just hold the outer buttons here, first one and the outside one, and third one, and you just hold them until the process restarts, and that's how you clear them. Hope this could be helpful for anyone. As always, please like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thanks, have a good one.